Hey there, Raj here with this small Photoshop tip tutorial. Today I'm gonna be showing you one of the way to use SmartObject in Photoshop. So here I have basic simple scene setup, uh, showing you a flag pole here. And basically what I have here is okay, copies of these things here. Okay, so now one of these will be converted to a smart object. So let us say this third one will convert this to a smart object. Okay, so I'll say convert it to a smart object, and then here we have, okay, as soon as you convert it, you'll find a icon onto your layer here. That means your object has been converted to a smart object now. Okay, and this object, yeah, let us leave it simple. And then this is little, let us leave it simple as the way it is. Okay, now to proceed with this, what I'm gonna do here is I'll use some shape deformations here. So what I'll do here is right click over it and then say warp, and I'll add some deformations to my shape here. There we go. Yeah, looks like a flag. Yeah, okay. Once you're done with it, hit enter, and the same thing I'm gonna do for this also. So yeah, click on it, right click, say warp, and there we go. And yeah, maybe we can give more flexibility here, maybe depend. Okay, so this is just an example here. So yeah, okay, so I have kind of shape, flag shape here, and again this will leave it like this as of. Okay, so what's the benefit of creating I mean converting your object as a smart object? One of the benefit is that, let's say here on this portion, if you have been asked to add details from now, so what you'll find it very difficult. First of all, you'll have to work according to the shape what you have, um, or the deformation what you have added for this object, and it's going to be difficult and as well as time consuming. So what you will be um, doing in this case is, uh, you will create the whole detail flag or your object again, and then you may be doing the shape deformations again, but again it's time consuming. It's you're spending your time again on doing these deformation things here. Okay, so here you're wasting time again on it. Okay, so what you can do here, what you can do is, as I've done here, before applying this deformation, I converted it to a smart object. So what now to add details on this, what we can do is right click on this layer and say edit content. Now as soon as you click on it, it will take you to a new document here. That's your flag smart object, and then here I'll have a new layer because I like layers. Okay, here, and then I'll add the color here. I'll create one more layer, and then I'll add one more color here. Maybe say the details what you have been asked to do, you can add those details, and I'll just hit on close here and let's say save. Okay, there we go, boom. Yeah, we have this updated detail flag ready again. So we don't have to spend time again doing those shape deformations here. Also, it's very easy to add details onto it, like in this case, yeah, I did the whole thing again applied the shape deformations, and it was a bit time consuming, and you had to do the same thing again. So but in this case, you can add details, you can remove details, but you don't have to work on the shape deformations again. Let us say, if I want to add more details onto it, let us say a text maybe, what I'll do here is click on it, say edit content, and just use my text tool, and I can add whatever detail. Maybe in this case I'm using a text. As soon as you edit this and you're done with your details, you just have to click on close this, and it will ask you whether you want to save it. Say yes. Boom, there you have this updated detail on your flag. So it's pretty convenient using SmartObject in this way. It can be used in different cases, but make sure you convert those objects as a smart object before um, applying any shape deformation. What I mean is, say here I have done all the shape deformations again, and now if I want to convert this to a smart object, and then say I want to add details on this. So what I'll do here is I'll click on edit contents, and what you find is uh, a deformed uh, object. So that you need to keep in mind before converting, uh, before applying any shape deformation, whether you want to add or will you be adding some more details, and then in that case maybe you can convert it to a smart objects, and then you can go along with it. So that's it. I hope you found it helpful. Yeah, and thank you for watching.